Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Ford F-150. Stock number is A6767. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel, and then you also have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch here on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You have a soft cover on top. That's going to keep the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats and heated seats. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that's provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.